So that machine tell you where the problem is?
Yeah, where's the pipe go? But we have to wait until the broken area.
Oh, okay.
Ủa sao qua tới bên đây ngộ rồi cưng?
Thì đường ống nó đi đâu mình đi
Đi
đó
lần
thôi.
qua đây hả?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
What happened?
It's just
This there, go. The back. Here.
the
There,
pipe.
go here.
Oh, so connected?
Yes.
So this pipe is connected with the other building?
Himself.
So did the same?
Yes.
I thought it's separate.
Chồng của mình nó nói á, có thể mình mua bảo hiểm bây giờ đi, rồi mới mốt bắt đầu mình kêu nó sửa.
Okay.
Nhưng mà sợ khi check cái này lâu đời quá rồi nó không chịu đâu.
Yeah.
Phải tham khảo mới được.
Bị sập
Your
hả?
husband very smart.
Nó bị động nước hả?
Smart guy. Both you and your husband.
Her husband very smart. He take care of the property.
Yeah.
Yeah, I told him.
Dạ cái đây.
Yeah, everything.
So the broken area is
It's
right
the
here.
fucking I have the
Ở đây
picture.
nó chạy ra đường xuôi này nè.
Ở trước nó có cái chu quay kia nào ngoài.
Đây nè.
Oh, this is the broken area.
Yeah.
So this only one broken.
The camera is stuck right here. So you have to fix right here and then we put in the camera again.
Oh,
Because right now the camera is stuck, we cannot see further.
Đường kia thì đất kia.
okay. So how much it cost you?
You have to dig up the.
We
the
have to,
concrete.
yeah, we have to cut the concrete, dig it out, and fix the pipe.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So this one cost her toilet.
Yes.
The backup?
And you
Yes.
use credit card?
Take credit card?
Yeah, like American Express, Visa.
Yeah, we can take credit card. Yeah.
Okay.
So this cost her toilet backup.
Yeah.
But she say her side also have problem. So
I don't know. I don't know. Her side, that's you use the landlord too.
Yeah. The whole building.
Yeah. But right now is the problem right here. You have to fix it. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so how much it cost you?
Let me talk to her back.
Yeah.
Would this one cost her toilet to her cause her problem? Is this only problem?
I'm not sure.
So you have
We
to
don't
check
know yet.
her size too.
They have to dig up and see. We don't know. Because it stopped here.
You have to fix one by one. So this one have to be fixed.
The fun a lot. Lên sao mà biết cưng, nó bị đỏ đỏ hả?
Cái đầu camera giờ nó đang bị stuck ở đây nè.
Let me take picture of it, huh?
Dạ cái này ba làm lấy bao nhiêu nói